Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can make or create a new Cash App account on your device. So to begin with, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and also make sure that you've already updated or installed the application. In case you haven't installed or updated, then all you have to do is open up your Play Store, and then on the search box type in Cash App and click on the install button if you haven't installed, and if you've already installed, then you might need to update the application or simply tap on the open button. As you click on the Cash App, after that you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. If you already have an account, then click on the login button and log in by entering your credential. And if you don't have an account, then click on sign up. You'll need to provide in your phone number or an email address, either one of these following options. After done entering your information, click on the next button located right at the bottom. In order to verify your contact information, a verification code or an OTP will be sent through an SMS or an email, and here you'll need to enter in or provide the verification code and click on the next button once you're done. You'll also need to provide in your zip code associated with the particular resident that you're residing on, and you'll also need to create a cash tag, which means some sort of username through which the other user can identify you. Once you're done creating a cash tag, click on the next button, and then you'll need to link either your bank account, credit card, or debit card. So to link either one of these following options, you'll need to provide in the account number or your debit card number or a credit card number, and then a social security number or CVV number. Once you're done entering this information, click on the next button. Now if you don't want to link your debit card or your bank account, then you can do that as well. Just tap on the skip button and you'll move on with the next step. And lastly, you'll be taken to the home page, and in this way you can create a new Cash App account. Now you're all set to explore Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.